Yeah, so in this video I will teach you how to install beef in Termux. I have already given an installer.shell, that's a script file in the comment box. You can go and download it. Once you have done that, you need to place it in the home directory, which will be here, device storage, and you should paste it just here, not inside any folder, just in the home directory. Once you have done that, go to Termux, type in the command. Wait a minute. So I have already done it. Let me remove it. Just a second. So once you've done that, then you need to open Termux and type in the command Termux setup storage. So this will give storage permission to Termux, and then you need to copy the installer.shell file which is there in the home directory to the home directory of Termux, which will be cp sd card installer.shell and then $home. Yes, once you've done that, you can see installer.shell is here in the home directory. Now we just need to run it by typing bash followed by the script file which is installer.shell. And you will see something like this. So if you see something like this, then you've done it correctly. For the moment I will close it because I have already installed beef in Termux. Now we need to change the password before we can use beef. So to do that, you need to get into the beef directory. So it will be cd beef, cd for change directory, and once you're here, you have to get into config.yaml. So it's going to be nano config.yaml. So it's something like this. Here you need to change the default username and password. So for the moment I will change it to cool and password to cool as well. So you can change it to anything that you wish for, and then once you've done that, save the file by pressing on Ctrl+X, then Y to confirm, then enter to save it. So now just you can launch beef from anywhere in the Termux. It's not mandatory that you have to get into beef directory all the time to launch beef. For instance, you can just type beef. Now this will take a moment. Oh wait a minute, I have not on internet. So this is going to take some time. Here it is. So you need to wait. Again, this script file will definitely install beef in Termux without any error. So just keep in mind, you just need like 500 MB of data before doing this installation. Okay, once you have done that, just copy the UI URL and go to any browser. For me, I like Chrome. Oh, this is my previous one. So just paste it there and hit enter. So you'll see something like this. Type in the username and the password and click on login. Here it is. We got into beef.
Yeah.